Hello, my name is Makumbu Malukisa, and this is my reflection video. To me, self-relationship is the foundation of everything else. My relationship with myself is crucial to my well-being. It's about being healthy and self-love. I prioritize uh, basic self-care for myself, such as sleep, being kind to myself, eating well, doing activities such as exercising, hiking, resting, and just having fun, going to the movies and comedy shows and stuff like that. And of course, going to church. All that stuff, all the things is important because it helps your mental um, being too. It keeps your brain active, and you know, you have more chance of living longer. Um, my relationship with God, unlike religion, a relationship with God comes with His amazing love and grace, um, reaching out to us. It's always been God's desire to reveal Himself since the beginning, when He revealed Himself to Adam and Eve. And also, if you read Genesis 3:8, where He stated in the beginning, God desired everlasting love and relationship with man. God always wanted to build with us, always reach out to human as far as relationship with Him. So for me, my relationship with God is everything I do goes to Him. Um, I have no question as to what you want me to do. I just follow um, God's plan, whatever it puts in front of me. Um, I just follows that. My relationship with other people in the class so far, it's I think it's a little difficult to form an opinion about my classmate since we are on an online class. But what I would say is, from reading the discussions and some of the comments, I think everybody's in the same page. Um, Everybody's very respectful. Um, they respect the other people's opinion. Um, but again, it's difficult to see the people expressions or if what they're saying is true because we can't, face-to-face communication is always important. But like I said earlier, I would agree that so far in the class, everybody kind of have the same opinion and very respectful. Um, One of the course that one of the things that we learned so far that's relevant to me, especially I would say, was when we talk about perception and emotion and communication. So I work with victim of sexual assault. I used to have a different perception of people that commit those crimes, and it, and then some of the people that reported. But since I started doing the job, I realized that I can't have that perception, because every story is different. Everybody have different experience of what happened to them. It's not my role to judge or form an opinion, me just to listen and help. So, and also being in the military is kind of hard to show emotion, and so that's another thing that I'm working on. As far as some of the things I need to change about myself is I need to have a better communication with my relationship outside my work. Uh, I've been in the military for a while, so it's kind of hard to break the habit of not being able to show emotion or communicating properly. So I am working on that, and hopefully I'll get better at it. And this will conclude my recording. Thank you.